If y'all are sick of hearing me say fall, y'all, just send me a note and let me know. But to me, when I think about fall, I think about sweet potatoes too. In fact, I've been doing a lot of recipes using sweet potatoes. So I'm fixing to do a shrimp stuffed sweet potato. I have shared the recipe with y'all for uh, Michael's shrimp stuffed potatoes that we always serve on Christmas, and everybody just loves them so much. So I've got my shrimp here. I've got my spinach. I put a little olive oil in here. So I'm going to saute my shrimp and my spinach and my garlic and a little salt and pepper. And they're both in there, the salt and the pepper. So we're just going to saute these until the spinach is wilted and our shrimp are a pinky color. So I've cut our potatoes in two, and you'll want to be careful taking the meat out of the shell, especially on a sweet potato. I think I'm going to use a smaller spoon. Maybe I can do less damage, because this is going to be our boat. This is going to be our boat to hold our shrimp and spinach. Now these are going to bake for about 20 minutes after we get them assembled. So they don't have to be all the way done, just mostly done. Okay, this is just about done. Okay, I've got one more potato to do. Okay, I don't want those to overcook, because they will. If you overcook a shrimp, they can turn out like the consistency of an eraser, and we don't want that. So that gets our potatoes mashed up. And now we're going to add our sour cream and our cheese. And one of the great things about a twice baked potato, you can put them together and put them in the refrigerator. And when you go to cook them, you'll want to take them out and let them warm up a little bit, get to room temperature. Okay, I'm going to add my sour cream to my shrimp. And I'm going to add my Parmesan cheese to the potato. And then I'm going to wind up putting everything in this bowl right here. Okay, let's see. I want you to tell me what you think, Eddie. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think
it's still got that.
A little sweet. I'm going to add a little salt, though. And a little bit more pepper. I love my grinder. It's got a light on it, y'all, for us blind babies that can't see too good. All right. This would make a nice side, for many, many dishes out there. A piece of fish, nice, wonderful piece of broiled fish, or heck, even fried. Look how pretty that is. And you'll want to try to keep up with the shrimp. Make sure everybody gets a fair share of shrimp. This along with some cornbread, or heck, for that matter, even French bread, would be a complete meal. Okay, y'all. That gets it. Now we're just going to sprinkle the other half of our Parmesan cheese on top, and we're going to bake these for about 20 minutes. Just long enough for them to get hot again. I just know y'all are going to love this. I'm so happy to share the recipe with y'all. And like I said, you can do everything to them. Put them together. Put them in your fridge. And look, that one bite and I got a piece of shell. Look at that. Only piece of shell in the whole bunch. And I got it. Yeah, I think you're going to love it. It's steaming hot, y'all. It's delicious, y'all. Another great recipe for year round, but it sure does scream fall, doesn't it, Eddie?
Yes, it does.
I hate it. Another piece of shell. So, loving best dishes, y'all. I'm going somewhere and finish eating my potato. And I'll see all you kids later. Love y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.